Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to farm Recoat in Expedition 33. Recoats can be used to reset your team members' attributes in the case that you found a weapon much more suitable to different attributes. The location to farm some Recoats is inside the monolith, at the Tainted Hearts area. You are going to be fighting up against a Gargant just right ahead to the left once you get past the small bridge. When you defeat the Gargant, he will reward you with resplendent chromas and recoats. Now granted, it's grandiose in mine, and there's a chance as well I can get perfect chromas. But that's just because I'm on the New Game Plus. It's going to be at a lower tier upon your first playthrough, except for the recoat. I do have to give a disclaimer here, that the recoats aren't a guaranteed drop, only a chance. When I defeated the Gargant 3 times, I managed to get only 2 recoats. The exact percentage, however, I don't have a clear idea, only that it will drop from time to time. If you're really in a pinch for recoats, then most merchants you're gonna find scattered across the continent will have recoats for sale. So you can just get some from them. And that's how to farm recoat in Expedition 33.